Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah.
It's getting late. I have to make dinner for Muskan and Sarah fast. Or else they will feel hungry.
Assalamu alaikum, mommy.
Walaikum assalam, daddy.
What are you making for dinner? It smells yummy.
I am making chapati and chicken curry.
Mashallah. It smells delicious.
Yes, it does. The food will be ready in half an hour. Can you please check on the kids?
Okay, let me check what they are doing.
Muskan, why are you not studying? It is so hard, Sarah. I am not able to understand this lesson. But it is not hard for me. I don't know what I will write if ma'am gives a surprise test.
Assalamu alaikum, Muskan and Sarah.
Walaikum assalam, daddy.
What happened, Muskan? Why are you sad?
This chapter is very hard. I am not able to understand anything.
Oh. My poor baby.
The food is ready. Who is hungry?
Mommy, I don't feel like eating.
Why, what happened, my darling?
I have to study entire night to complete this chapter. It is very difficult, Mommy.
Did you say Bismillah before you started studying?
No, Mommy.
Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, any important work that did not begin with Bismillah is imperfect. Since you did not say Bismillah before you started studying, that's why you are feeling it is hard.
You are right, mommy. Muskan, now you don't need to study entire night. Just say Bismillah and inshallah Allah will make it easy for you.
Yes, Daddy. I will say Bismillah and start studying. So Muskan, will you eat now? Yes. I am starving.
Okay, you can study after eating. And inshallah Allah will make it easy for you. Let's go for dinner now.
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.